In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WooCommerce API key. This is an essential step for integrating other applications with your WooCommerce store. So, let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress admin area. This is the central hub where you manage your entire WordPress site, including WooCommerce. Once you're logged in, head over to the WooCommerce section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a drop-down menu. From there, navigate to the Settings option and give it a click. Once you're in the Settings area, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This tab is where you'll find the REST API settings, which is crucial for what we're doing today. Within the Advanced tab, locate and select the REST API option. This is where we will create your new API key. You'll now see a button that says Add Key or Create an API Key. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a form that needs to be filled out. This form is important because it sets the parameters for your API key. Start with the description field. This is just for your reference, so make it something recognizable, like integration key, or another identifier that makes sense for what you're doing. Next, you'll choose a user from the drop-down. Make sure to select a user that has the proper access rights to perform the actions you'll need. This is crucial to ensure that your key has the necessary permissions without causing unintended access issues in your WooCommerce store. Once you've selected a user, it's time to decide on the permissions for your API key. You have three options here: read, write, or read-write. Choose the one that meets your specific needs. For instance, if you're planning on just reading data, select Read. If you need to make changes, you'll want Write or Read-write. Be careful with this choice, as it dictates the level of access your API key will have. After everything is filled out to your satisfaction, click on Generate API Key. WooCommerce will now display the keys you need: a consumer key starting with CKA and a consumer secret starting with CSS. You'll also notice a truncated key and a QR code UI. It's absolutely crucial that you copy and securely store these keys immediately. The consumer secret is especially important to save right now, as it will be hidden once you navigate away from the page. You won't be able to view it again, so storing it securely is imperative. And just like that, you've successfully created an API key for WooCommerce. Remember, this key is for demonstration purposes, and we'll be deleting it after this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you seamlessly integrate your applications with WooCommerce.